Have you ever felt a deep sense of connection to something greater than yourself? A feeling that you are part of an intricate web of existence where every thought, action, and being is intertwined? What if I told you that by tapping into this profound connection, you could change your life in ways you never thought possible? In this video, we'll delve into the concept of oneness and explore how aligning yourself with the universe can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. At its core, oneness is the idea that everything in the universe is interconnected. From the tiniest atom to the vast expanse of galaxies, all things are part of a single, unified whole. This concept can be found in various spiritual and philosophical traditions around the world, each offering its own unique perspective on the nature of reality. By recognizing and cultivating a sense of oneness, we open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of our place in the grand scheme of things. When we begin to see ourselves as an integral part of the cosmic tapestry, we start to experience a profound shift in our perception of the world around us. The illusion of separation is a common perception that many of us hold, believing that we are separate and distinct from the world around us. This belief can lead to feelings of isolation, disconnection, and a sense that we are navigating life's challenges alone. However, by breaking free from this limiting belief, we can start to see the world in a new light. We begin to understand that our actions and choices have a ripple effect, impacting not only our own lives but the lives of those around us and the world as a whole. One of the most powerful ways to foster a sense of oneness is by connecting with nature. When we spend time in the natural world, we are reminded of the inherent beauty and harmony that exists all around us. By mindfully engaging with our surroundings, we can begin to see ourselves as part of a larger ecosystem where every element plays a vital role in maintaining balance and equilibrium. Simple techniques such as taking a walk in the park, sitting by a stream, or gazing at the stars can help us cultivate a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. Meditation and mindfulness are also powerful tools for cultivating a sense of oneness. By turning our attention inward and focusing on the present moment, we can begin to quiet the chatter of our minds and connect with a deeper sense of ourselves. For those new to meditation, starting with just a few minutes a day can be a great way to begin building a practice. As we become more comfortable with sitting in stillness, we can gradually increase the length and depth of our meditations. Incorporating mindfulness into our daily lives, whether through conscious breathing or simply paying attention to our thoughts and emotions, can help us maintain a sense of connection and presence throughout the day. Gratitude is another key element in cultivating a sense of oneness. When we take the time to acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in our lives, we begin to see the world through a lens of abundance rather than scarcity. By focusing on what we have rather than what we lack, we open ourselves up to a greater sense of contentment and fulfillment. Practical tips for incorporating gratitude into our daily routines might include keeping a gratitude journal, sharing our appreciation with others, or simply taking a moment each day to reflect on the things we are thankful for. As we deepen our sense of oneness, it's important to also address the role of ego in our lives. The ego is often seen as a barrier to connection, as it can lead us to focus on our individual needs and desires rather than our place in the larger scheme of things. By learning to recognize and release ego-driven thoughts and behaviors, we can begin to cultivate a greater sense of humility and openness. This might involve practices such as self-reflection, letting go of attachments, or simply being willing to admit when we are wrong. Compassion is another essential component of oneness. When we cultivate compassion for ourselves and others, we begin to see the world through a lens of understanding and empathy. We recognize that everyone is fighting their own battles and that we are all deserving of love and kindness. Practicing compassion might involve offering a listening ear to a friend in need, volunteering our time to help those less fortunate, or simply treating ourselves with the same care and concern we would extend to others. Service is another powerful way to deepen our sense of oneness. When we focus our energy on helping others, we begin to see the world as a place of interconnection and mutual support. Whether through small acts of kindness or larger-scale volunteer efforts, serving others can help us feel more connected to the world around us and give our lives a greater sense of purpose and meaning. Inspiring stories of individuals who have found fulfillment through service can remind us of the transformative power of giving back. As we continue on our journey towards oneness, we may start to notice synchronicities and moments of flow in our lives. These experiences can serve as affirmations that we are aligning ourselves with the universe and tapping into a deeper sense of connection. Synchronicities are often described as meaningful coincidences, where events or circumstances seem to align in ways that feel almost too perfect to be mere chance. Flow, on the other hand, is a state of being where we feel completely absorbed in the present moment, our actions and thoughts seamlessly aligned with a greater sense of purpose. Integrating oneness into our daily lives is an ongoing process, one that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to embrace change. As we begin to incorporate the practices and principles of oneness into our routines, we may face challenges and setbacks along the way. It's important to remember that growth is rarely a linear process, and that each obstacle we face is an opportunity to deepen our understanding and commitment to living a more connected life. Practical tips for maintaining a sense of oneness in the face of daily challenges might include setting aside time each day for reflection and self-care, surrounding ourselves with supportive and like-minded individuals, and staying open to new experiences and perspectives. By remaining committed to our journey and trusting in the process, we can begin to see even the most difficult moments as opportunities for growth and transformation. As we come to the end of this exploration of oneness, it's important to remember that the journey towards connection is a highly personal one. What resonates with one individual may not necessarily resonate with another, and that's okay. The key is to remain open and curious, to experiment with different techniques and practices until we find what works best for us. The transformative power of cultivating a sense of oneness cannot be overstated. By recognizing our inherent connection to the cosmos and all that exists within it, we open ourselves up to a world of possibility and potential. We begin to see ourselves not as isolated individuals, but as integral parts of a greater whole, each with our own unique role to play in the unfolding of the universe. As we continue on this path, we invite you to share your own experiences and insights in the comments below. By coming together as a community and sharing our stories, we can support and inspire one another on this journey towards a more connected and fulfilling existence. Remember, the path towards oneness is not always an easy one, but it is a path worth taking. By staying true to ourselves, remaining open to new experiences and perspectives, and cultivating a deep sense of compassion and understanding, we can begin to tap into the infinite potential that exists within us all. So let us go forth with open hearts and minds, ready to embrace the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. Let us recognize our inherent connection to all that is and all that ever will be. And let us remember that no matter where our journey takes us, we are never truly alone. We are all part of a single, unified whole, forever connected by the threads of existence that bind us all together.